हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज प्रशांत। सो कल जैट स्कोर्स आने के बाद आई एम गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज कि सर मेरा सेक्शनल एक में कम है बट ओवरऑल ज़्यादा है। देर आर लॉट ऑफ combinations possible and we can apply many B schools after getting our ZAT scores. So I'm going to talk about that which all B schools are accepting ZAT scores and which can we apply. So I'll start with B schools which comes with a sectional cutoff. So first in my list is Excel, right? So I'm going to talk about BM. So for BM program, male candidate need 75 percentile in QA, 72 percentile in DM, and 80 percentile in QA. If someone scores up overall 93 percentile and above, they are going to get call. In female category, there are 72 percentile in QA, 72 percentile in DM, and 75 percentile in QA. And overall cutoff will be 90 percentile. For XLRI BM, so these are like four categories: male engineer, female engineer, and female non-engineer. So cutoff will be same like 92 for male engineers. For female engineers and male non-engineer, cutoff will be 90 percentile, and for female non-engineer, it will be 87 percentile. Yes, people have converted uh, at their like just boundary line percentiles also. So I know people at 96.10 they have converted XLRI HRM, and even 94 percentile people have also converted XL HRM with good profile and very good interviews. Now I'm moving to uh, XIMB or XUB. So in XIMB, I'm expecting B to the overall cutoff will be around 91 to 93. And for their HRM program, I'm expecting overall cutoff will be around 85 to 87. But do remember that you need at least 60, 60, 60 in all three sections. That is VA, DM and QA. तो अब मैं जाऊंगा उन कॉलेजेस पे जो विदाउट सेक्शनल कट ऑफ एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, और ये लिस्ट एग्जॉस्टिव नहीं है. देयर आर मेनी मोर कॉलेजेस व्हिच आर एक्सेप्टिंग ZAT scores, and this cutoff will be just an indicative. You can take decision based on like other discussions also. So in IMT Ghaziabad, I'm expecting cutoff will be around 85 to 88 percentile, because this time they have started something new, that is profile based call. So maybe at lower percentile as 85 you will be getting cutoff. Even I've heard their director's address in which he was saying that if you have a good profile you can get admitted 85 percentile also. In IRMA, I am expecting calls around like 75 to 80 percentile. If someone is coming from agriculture background, they can accept call it 75 percentile also, even lower on that. But this percentile is for like if you're not coming from agriculture background. Then we have a IMI New Delhi. So IMI New Delhi cutoff can be 85 to 85 percentile. Even some people may not get their PGP core call, but they can get their BFSI program call or HRM call. In KG Samaya, I'm expecting call at like overall 70 plus percentile. In KG Samaya also, we have many programs apart from their core MBA program. In Lal Bahadur Shastri, the cutoff will be around 75 plus percentile. Then we have BIMTech Noida. So in BIMTech Noida, the again cutoff can be 75 percentile, but people for their like retail management program, they can expect call it like 65 percentile also. So you can assume, you can apply it based on your assumptions. When you have four New Delhi, so four again I'm expecting calls at overall 75 plus percentile. We have Great Lake Institute of Management. So we in Great Lakes we have two campuses. One is in Chennai, second one is Gurgaon. They have two types of program. One is 2 year program and one is 1 year program. And do remember their 1 year program is more popular than their 2 year program. And for their 2 year program, expecting cutoff will be around 70 to 75. And for their 1 year program, cutoff will be around 85 plus percentile. Then I'm going to discuss two of the most underrated colleges in India which accepts ZAT scores, but we hardly listen about them. So one is IFMMR and second one is LIBA. So both accept ZAT scores and they are doing really good in India. So if someone going to like keep as backup, or they have like lower percentile, like below 80 percentile. So these are the best B schools, I'll say, you can apply with your XAT scores. So IFMR is known for finance also, and LIBA if you want to learn about business analytics and other stuff. So these are like very good B schools which are offering MBA programs. In case you have any doubts regarding the form filling, you can reach out to me on directly on 9044844055. So thank you guys from my side. All the best.